Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about the Olympic Games and how Paris is all set to host the Summer Olympics 2024. Let's get started. Get ready for Paris 2024, a Summer Olympics unlike any other. From 26 July to 11 August, the City of Lights will shine even brighter as athletes compete in 32 sports, including the debut of breakdancing. Coming from 206 countries, an approx of 10,500 athletes will compete in the Olympic Games. A historic spectacle. The history of the Olympic Games dates back to 3,000 years when it was conducted in Olympia, a small town in Elis, on the Peloponnese Peninsula in Greece. It started in the year 776 BC and continued until 393 AD, with each game held every 4 years. Pierre de Coubertin, known as the father of the modern Olympics, proposed the idea of reviving the Olympics in the year 1894. This year's opening ceremony breaks tradition, taking place on the Seine River. Venue steeped in history. Witness iconic locations like the Eiffel Tower and Champs-Élysées transformed into Olympic stages. Rugby sevens and athletics will be held at the Stade de France, while Roland Garros hosts tennis and boxing. Even the Palace of Versailles will be part of the games. Unique medals. Each medal tells a story. Designed by Parisian jewelers, they feature a piece of the Eiffel Tower embedded within. The back showcases the Greek goddess of victory and iconic landmarks. The Phrygian mascots. These red caps, a symbol of freedom in France, represent the connection between the Olympics' Greek roots and their Parisian host. The Paralympic mascot even has a prosthetic leg, promoting inclusivity. Sustainability at the core. Paris 2024 prioritizes sustainability. Renewable energy powers the games, while 90% of venues are existing or temporary structures. Even the athletes' beds are made from recycled materials. Classics and newcomers. Experience the thrill of timeless sports like basketball and swimming alongside newcomers like skateboarding and surfing. Breakdancing joins the party for the first time, showcasing its athleticism and cultural significance. India's Olympic hopes. Can India top its 2020 tally? Neeraj Chopra, the gold medalist in javelin throw, returns alongside medalists like Mirabai Chanu, weightlifting, and PV Sindhu, badminton. New stars like Nikhat Zareen, boxing, and Srishankar Murli, long jump, might surprise us. The Paris 2024 Olympics promise athletic excellence, cultural celebration, and a commitment to a greener future. Don't miss this historic event. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned the Olympics have a long and rich history dating back to ancient Greece. Host cities can influence the game's atmosphere through unique venues and presentations. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in large events like the Olympics. Sports have the power to inspire and unite people from all over the world. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.